A deportation order issued from the office of the Immigrations Minister last week states that the 4 Chinese nationals must be deported out of Papua New Guinea, while the 13 who are not in PNG should not return to the country. The deportation orders were based on findings provided by the National Narcotics Bureau days after a team of police officers raided the warehouse at Kennedy Estate, just outside Port Moresby. But Governor Juffa says these Chinese nationals should be prosecuted in Papua New Guinea.
Is the company compliant? It's been operating for 9 years, I hear. Suddenly they're being deported? It seems to me very strange. It seems to me that it's a cover-up. And perhaps you could even say that it is an attempt to pervert the course of justice, because these people have to be processed. The investigation has to be conducted. And those who are found guilty of having committed various offenses under the Customs Act or the Criminal Code have to be dealt with, have to be prosecuted. These could be some of them.
This case involves the manufacturing of illicit cigarettes at a residential area at 8 Mile. Inside the warehouse, police found large machines used in the production, repacking and distribution of Marlboro cigarettes, an American cigarette brand.
Is that legal? In this instance, I understand that they're importing a particular brand. It's a US brand. Do they have the permission of that company to import that brand, repackage it, and then rebrand it and then sell it as another brand? If not, then this is a serious offense. And they're operating in a residential area. Is this a commercial area?
5 days after police made the initial raid, PNG Customs came out defending the Chinese company, Golden Borough Limited, saying it was operating legally.
As in this case, we have a company that has been operating for the last 8 years. And the company has complied with customs regulations. We've issued them customs license to operate. They've been importing, and only this year they intend to go into manufacturing.
However, despite a case registered criminally, the Immigrations and Border Security Minister has used his powers to issue the deportation orders, something that has disturbed the initial police investigations.
They have to be interviewed, they have to be processed. They have information about the operations there. You can't produce a thorough investigation report without their input. And that hasn't happened yet. We have to review and examine all the facts surrounding this situation. A manufacturing plant apparently licensed by customs.
Thekla Gunga, National MTV News.